Bax Bees in its current form started probably about 7 years ago. It gradually grew and grew, and we got more and more bees until I was producing far more honey than I could possibly give to friends and family. With the help of my brother, we started selling honey through the local markets. And of course, with it being the Baxendales, it was inevitably going to be Bax Bees. And yeah, the rest is history, as they say. So our best-selling product in the shop is a mixture of raw pollen and honey, and we sell that mainly to people who are suffering from hay fever. So you take a bit of that, you build up a natural resistance to pollen, and it works wonders. So the problem we've had is producing pollen. Pollen is a very difficult thing to get the bees to make, and so we've been using traditional pollen traps for a very long time. Over time I realised the drawbacks of the conventional traps, and the bees but generally don't like them. And I thought there must be a better way. I came up with a few ideas and tried a few prototypes made out of egg boxes and tape on the bees, and it showed some promise. But what it needed was the next stage to an actual real working prototype to be made that needed a bit more of technological involvement. I went over to the University of Chester, and we had an initial meeting on just which way they could actually help me realise the prototypes. So we used some of the technology that 3D printing offered would enable, for instance, a much softer entrance for the bees that didn't scrape on their legs or damage the wings. And at the same time, obviously, if it's easy for the bees, it's easy for the beekeeper, and it also improves the production of pollen. The I2C program's been fantastic. It's been a great experience. It's shown me what was possible, the things that I hadn't really imagined were possible. They've shown me the way.